and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on the face. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on the ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on the ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas
waste time. LONGQI hair quite a few times before. I do like their hair. I tried a few different textures of their hair. What I like about their hair is their bundles are really thick. Like I stated before, this is only 3 bundles and a lace closure, and it's super full. I think I fit most of the hair, if not all of it, into this wig, but it's really full. We'll get into that towards the end, like, because I'm gonna style the hair. I did have a few people hit me up recently asking me like what's my favorite hair out of all the hair that I've received, and it depends. Like, I can't just answer that question. It honestly depends on the texture, because some companies, all depends on the texture of the hair, but I can honestly say that for every texture that I've tried from LONGQI thus far has been a win. I have not tried any of their curly hair. So I will be having a few different textures as far as hair reviews coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that. I also will be having a wig sale. I know y'all probably like, shut up, you were supposed to have a wig sale last month or earlier this month and you was playing. Yo, I had so much going on, but this one I'm aiming for Friday. I feel like Friday is a good day for a sale, and I want to have at least 5 units on the site, and if it goes as planned, there will be quite a few different textures. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done with my makeup. I think. But yes, I'm done with my makeup. I'm going to throw some waves in his hair. So like I stated, this is my LONGQI Brazilian body wave. I have it in 3 bundles, 16, 18, 20. I made it into a unit, 16-inch lace closure, bleached the knots. I did pluck the part a little bit, and I colored it blue-black, so it looks very dark. I love hair when it looks this dark. So yeah, now I'm going to throw some waves in here with my curling iron. I don't want a lot of curls in here. I just want waves. So let's get to it.
Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on the. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused. Ayy, and you a boss.
This video, if you're interested in this hair, definitely check the description box. I'll try to keep all the details and links down in the description box. I'm going to thank all you beauties for watching this video. Don't forget to check out LONGQI hair and the rest of my videos if you're interested in some good hair.